Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Yakima Gatekeeper. This is a tailgate pad that's really easy to use when you need to shuttle your bikes to your next ride. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at its features. So the Gatekeeper comes in two different sizes. It has a medium size for smaller to mid-size pickups, and there's a larger size for larger pickups. Now we have the medium size right here, which has a width of 52 inches and a length of 17 inches. The larger size has a width of 60 inches and a length of 20 inches. So make sure that you check the dimensions of your truck before purchasing the correct one for your vehicle. So installing this on your vehicle is really easy. We're just gonna open it up and we're gonna take a look at this felt right here, which is really soft and is gonna prevent any scratching on your vehicle's tailgate. Now with it open, we're just gonna throw it on top of our tailgate with the Yakima symbol facing outward. And now that we have our Gatekeeper on, we're gonna take this seam that goes through the cradles and we're gonna line it up with the end of our tailgate. So once we have those lined up, we're gonna go ahead and open up this cover right here. We're gonna pull on the Velcro at the bottom. And this is our cover for our tailgate door handle. And we're just gonna go ahead and open it up just a little bit. And now we're gonna take our strap and we're gonna push it through this open slit at the bottom to get to the other side of the tailgate. And we'll do that for all three. Now with our straps through, we're gonna take it and we're gonna loop it through our buckle and we're gonna tighten it down. Now as we're tightening it down, we're gonna wanna make sure that the seams still stay in place on the tailgate. So another cool feature on these straps is that we have this loop that's attached to them. So we can take this excess strap and we can just fold it up and place it through that loop so that it's not hanging out and looks all sloppy. And then we'll repeat on the other two straps. So now that we have it installed on our vehicle, let's take a look at some of its features. Let's start by taking a look at the cover for the tailgate handle. Now it's just connected by some Velcro right here. And if you're planning on leaving your tailgate pad on your tailgate, you can just take your cover and fold it up here. So that way you constantly have access to your handle and to your rear-facing camera. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these cradles. For the medium Gatekeeper, we can hold up to 5 bikes, so there's 5 cradles. If you purchase the large Gatekeeper, it has an extra cradle so you can hold up to 6 bikes. Now each cradle from center to center is 9.5 inches apart, so you got quite a bit of space that you'll have in between each bike. Let's go ahead and show you some features about the cradle itself. It has a padded Velcro strap that will secure your bicycle's frame onto this padded cradle. Now, one nice thing about this material is since it's so soft and that it's padded, you don't have to worry about it scratching your bicycle's frame. So now that we've gone over some of the features, let's go ahead and undo 2 more and we'll show you how to put some bikes on and how it looks. So putting a bike on the Gatekeeper is really easy. You're gonna wanna start on one side and work your way down if you're gonna be putting multiple bikes on. So you're just gonna lift it up and you're gonna rest the front of the frame on the first cradle. And it doesn't matter which way your wheel faces, you're just gonna wanna make sure that the wheels are all facing the same way. So once it's resting on the cradle, we'll take our strap and we'll go ahead and put it over and secure it into place. So with our bike secured, you can see that it's nice and stable and it's not going to be going anywhere. So now with that in place, let's go ahead and put 2 more bikes on and see how this looks with multiple bikes. Now with all 3 bikes on, we can see that it overlaps really nicely and that in between them, there's lots of space in between the frames so you don't have to worry about them knocking into each other. All right guys, that wraps up the Yakima Gatekeeper. As you can see, this is a safe and reliable option to haul your bikes with your truck. It was easy to install, easy to use, and with it being able to hold multiple bikes, it's a great way to shuttle your friends and family to your next bike ride. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to take a look at the Yakima Gatekeeper, you can visit your closest U-Haul center, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com. Thank you for joining us.